So our first senior performance, let's get straight into it. This is from Northcote College with The Fall of Humanity. Annabelle is going to come out and tell you more about it.
Our world has been devastated by a nuclear war, with only 5% of the world's population surviving. Our priorities have shifted to rebuilding, preserving knowledge, and fostering resilience. Communities must unite and adapt to this new way of life. We no longer identify by religion, language, or culture, but by a different belief system based on core values: compassion, loyalty, self-interest, individualism, and cynicism. We survive only through ingenuity, cooperation, and balance with the natural world. Perhaps by working together, we can strive to cultivate a world where cooperation prevails over conflict and where mistakes of the past are never repeated. Or this could be the end of humanity.
All empires fall, but the fall of humanity might be the greatest one yet. Knowledge must be preserved, resources must be shared. In this world, there is room for everyone. You watched. A society burned, 5% remain. They can rely on only themselves to survive. Before, we had to fight for food, for money, for rights. Those who didn't fight gorged themselves on food, on money, on their rights to speak freely and politically. No longer are we separated by religion, culture, and language. Compassion, loyalty, self-interest, individualism, cynicism, all that is left of the barren of wasteland that is humanity, greed has poisoned people's souls.
Human beings are like that. We want to live by each other's happiness, not by each other's misery.
Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smiled with the rising sun. Say, this is my message to you.
Greed has poisoned men's souls, has barricaded the world with hate, has goose-stepped us into misery and bloodshed.
Do not despair. The misery that is now upon us is but the passing of greed.
When the night has come and the land is dark and the moon is the only light we'll see. Darling, darling, stand by me. I stand by me. I stand by me. Stand by me.
myself to these unnatural men, machine men, with machine minds and machine hearts.
You must make life free, make it beautiful, equal, or this could be the end. You, the people, have the power to make this life free and beautiful. Rebuild what we destroyed, mend cracks in our mistakes, seal them, future-proof them, hold the future close as we fight for a new world where humanity thrives and our future thrives with it.
Let's hear it. Our first performance from the senior section for Northcote College. Now, their team leaders, Caitlin and Annabelle, are going to join me back out on stage to have a wee chat about the performance we just watched. Hello, come up here and join me. A lot of wooing and ahhing behind the stage. You be happy with that performance?
So happy.
Awesome. And what's the message that you're hoping the audience is able to take home from that?
We want the audience to ask themselves if we can keep coexisting in a world of destruction and discrimination. We can't just sit back and watch anymore. And if we aren't careful, our story will come to life. As kids, we are told to sit back and let the adults handle the tough stuff. But we understand that we are all equal and power doesn't prevail over compassion.
Well done. Just a reminder, there's an award at the end of the night for Best Public Speaker. How, and maybe you'll be able to answer this one, how has being part of Showquest impacted your school's community?
So we found that being a part of Showquest created a sense of togetherness and connection within different year levels in our school. It was run and written by me and Annabelle, and since we're older than most of the other students in the Showquest performance, we found that they could be inspired and excited for future opportunities like this as they get older. We think that it's a really good opportunity to represent your school in a way that isn't just a sport, as well as bringing together our dance and drama students.
Well done, thanks. Another round of applause for Northcote College. We'll see you girls a little bit later.